babes, hello, how are you? I am just vlogging today and I honestly thought it would be a really nice night to do winter nighttime routine, but I figured it'd be nice just to do a little nighttime routine, especially because I have my new camera. So my evening starts when I get home, especially in the winter. So since it's 4, I just got dressed for the gym. I don't have my shoes on or anything, but I'm just wearing some sweatpants to cover up. Under my sweatpants, I have just like purple short spandex, and then my hoodie is like an old school Adidas 90s vibes that I got from the thrift store. You guys know how I am. So I'm gonna get my socks on and I'm going to go to the gym. So that is my plans, and then I will see you guys to do the rest of my nighttime routine, which will probably be making a post-workout snack, getting in the shower, and doing the rest of my pamper routine for the winter time. So I will see you babes then.
If I cannot find you up in the dust, if I stand here waiting, you think I must stay here for days, losing my way. I'ma go home, I'ma type up my thoughts, print it out, color, don't slip, dancing in your socks. When you read it, let me know if I'm enough. I keep on spitting facts. I don't love.
Okay guys, I had to make a little pit stop to my apartment's little coffee maker. It's the cutest thing ever. I'm gonna just let you guys watch me make my coffee so I don't get copyrighted with the music in the background, but it's super fun. Okay guys, I am home and all I literally got from Target was some Cheerios because this is like my favorite post or pre-gym food. And then toilet paper. Yeah, so that's all I got from Target. I didn't want to go in and grab it. I'm going to make my post-gym smoothie. I was actually at the gym for a lot longer than I wanted, but that's a good thing because all I have to do is prep my lunch for tomorrow and I'm gonna eat leftovers for dinner. So nothing crazy. It's all stuff I can just bake in the oven, some broccoli, some fish. So I'll show you guys how I do that. But right now, I'm going to make my post-gym smoothie and exactly what I do to make sure it's like really hearty. So I want to make sure that I'm full because I do need to clean a little bit. And some people may not consider that part of a nighttime routine, but me personally, cleaning my space at night just makes me feel good because I wake up really early for work. So I wake up at like 5:30 at the latest. Lately I've been waking up at 5:30, but I really like to wake up and just have a clean space. So I'm gonna do my kitchen just a little bit. I'm gonna drink my smoothie as I'm doing that. And then I need to definitely pick up my room, clean up my desk so I can have a nice space. I've been making a lot of YouTube shorts at my desk the past couple of days, so there's just makeup and stuff everywhere and there's dust on my mirror and it's just a whole mess. So I'm going to get this smoothie rolling so I can clean faster, so then I can get in the shower faster and then do some really good nighttime pamper. I really like putting these Kodiak protein oatmeals in my smoothies instead of using regular oats because there's 12 grams of protein. There's more if you add like milk or whatever, but this in general is just 12 grams. So I like to do that when I know I need it to kind of fill me up. Okay guys, so while I drink my smoothie, I really need to get these bananas sliced up and put into my little freezer fruit bags. My mom actually got me these. They're like reusable Ziploc baggies from Aldi. She's obsessed with Aldi, so Kim, if you're watching this, thank you, love my baggies. But I love when my bananas are more brown because they're sweeter that way. I know some of you might hate me for that, but that's just how I roll sometimes. I'm gonna get these sliced up and put them in my freezer bag because I know tomorrow I'm gonna want a smoothie and I'm gonna be real mad when I don't have frozen bananas. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, our next order of business for my night routine is my desk. So if you guys can see, I just have like my random stuff to get ready with. My mirror is dusty. Oh my god, after the camera focus, that's embarrassing. Let's not look at that anymore. But I just need to put some of my stuff up. Like, I just have all my makeup products out, whatever. I'm gonna put this up. Oh, it's also 6:30, so we are making good time. This should take me no time, so hopefully I'm in the shower and out by 7. That is the goal. So let's get this desk cleaned up. My desk is all done. It's nice and clean, gonna be perfect for in the morning. So I'm gonna hop in the shower and I will see you guys after I'm out and self-tanning. I am self-tanned and out of the shower. I did one of those like ultimate showers, like the skincare, the body care, so the body scrub, all that good stuff. So now what I need to do so that I can complete my little skincare routine. Also, I'm sorry if it's weird that I'm talking in the mirror like this. I just want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing instead of like sideways, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm doing. But what I want to do now is I do like to shave my face, so I'm going to go get one of my little razors, clean it up, make sure it's a fresh one, and I'm going to show you guys how I shave my face. This was super viral like a couple years ago, but I genuinely do love doing this, so I'm going to show you guys how I get my little peach fuzz off. So I'm using just one of these razors that's coming out of this pack that I got from TJ Maxx. If you guys haven't watched my self-care vlog from a couple videos ago, that's where I got these from. And what I'm gonna do is I like doing this with long sleeves, especially right after I self-tan, because I don't want to ruin my self-tanner. But I'm just gonna put a little bit of water on my face and then get aloe vera. You can use lotion if you want, but I just feel like using aloe is a little bit easier on my skin because it's not really making it super sensitive. And you're just gonna kind of coat your face in the aloe, but also make sure you still got like water on your skin because it's just gonna help. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is just make sure I have toilet paper, and I'm just slowly but surely going to start edging the razor on my face. And you guys have probably seen so many videos of this. You can do it in so many different ways, so I'm just going to let you guys watch how I do it. I don't know if you guys can see how much little peach fuzz and like dirt is on that, but disgusting. And I'm just going to pat my skin dry. And since I feel like that's pretty rough on the skin, I'm not going to use my exfoliant tonight. I'm just going to go in with some Ordinary and get this all over my face. And I'm going to let that sit in for just a second, and then I'm going to come back and gua sha and show you guys how I do that. I'm going to gua sha my face. I'm using some CeraVe moisturizing cream because I need the extra moisture so bad. It is 7:30, so I'm about on my normal nighttime routine. I'm gonna kind of just talk to you guys while I do this, but I normally know that if I get in bed too early that I will toss and turn. So as much as it may feel like I want to be in bed super early, sometimes I just kind of have to like get my things done. I also have to braid my hair before bed, so my hair is very long. As you guys can tell, I have a lot of freaking hair, and it was very frizzy today because I had it like in a wave, like a wavy hairstyle, but it just like straightened out. Since I did self-tan, I'm not gua shaing too much like on my neck, because I don't want to mess up the self-tanner I put there. Also, if anyone was wondering, I know you guys can't see it because I'm covered up, but the self-tanner I did use is B-Tan. Normally in the winter time, I like to use a little bit of a cheaper self-tanner. Not that it's any worse or bad quality or anything, but I definitely like to keep it a little bit on the cheaper side because I don't want to use my good tanner that I used in the summer. In the summer, I used Bondi Sands 9 times out of 10, and then I also like their sleeping face mask. Just good recommendation from me, so I am going to put that on. Okay guys, so now that that is on, I'm gonna just kind of make sure I'm getting my water in me for the night, and I'm also going to prepare my dinner. My battery is going to die, so I'm either going to take a couple clips on my iPhone like of what my dinner is, or I might just show you guys when it's done. So I will see you guys whenever my dinner is ready. Like I said, I'm just gonna film on my iPhone really super quick until my battery's done charging, but these are the wraps. I know it looks a mess. There's 3 of them. Again, it's like vegan meat in the wraps and then just sauce, and I added extra sauce on it. I promise my boyfriend's mom is an amazing freaking cook, so I'm sure they're gonna be super good. Then for my lunch tomorrow, I'm just prepping like 3 or 4 big scoops of broccoli on a pan, and then a tilapia, Parmesan crusted tilapia. I get these at Sam's Club or Walmart. They're boneless, just ready to go into the oven. And personally, for a midday lunch, I'd say the macros are pretty good, give or take the sodium, but honestly, it's some really good protein and just some solid complex carbs to get into your body during the day. And then I'm also prepping my breakfast. Going to do some Kodiak Power waffle mix. It's 14 grams of protein, but you can make it more if you add like eggs and stuff, but I just don't do that. I just put almond milk or coconut milk or water and mix these. Is my food, guys. The candle I literally just lit out. The candle I just lit in front of me just burned out, so that's lovely. But I have my hydro jug and I filled this up this morning and I'm almost done with it, so I've almost got the gallon of water in me today. I have Beauty Shop on in the background, which is like one of my favorite movies ever. So that's what I'm watching, and I'm just gonna chillax and eat this marvelous bowl of pasta and wait for my meal prep for tomorrow. So you guys can just sit back, get your own dinner. Make sure you are subscribers. Definitely make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, but sit back, get your bowl of pasta, and you can just chill out. Love that for us. Also notice I put down this blanket so that my self-tanner doesn't rub off all over the couch. Okay, so since I am all done, I ate, everything's good, I'm gonna start really just winding down in my room. As much as I love chilling and watching TV in my living room, I think it's time for me just to kind of collect and get my stuff together. And like I said, it is only 8:35. So that's really nice because I made really good time today. I got a nice filling meal in my tummy and I have plenty of time just to kind of relax in my room. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow this candle out, make sure we're all locked down for the night, and I will see you guys in my bedroom. It is about 10, a little after 10, and I'm in bed. There's Jurassic World on in the background, and I think it's time to say goodnight. I hope this inspired you guys just to have a really good night routine next time you guys see this. Do something kind for yourself, do something to give yourself just a little extra self-love and self-care before bed when you are watching this, and I will see you guys in my next video, in my next vlog, whatever it is.